Hello everybody. How are you? Hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Hope your preparation is going well. Today we will conduct a quiz relating to the books of accounts, maintenance of books of accounts, under section 137, submission of books of accounts to ROC, and appointment of internal auditor under section 137. Let's see multiple choice questions. Who can be appointed as an internal auditor? Whether a chartered accountant, cost accountant, any other professionals, all of the above. Who can be appointed as an internal auditor? Any person can be appointed as a chartered. Any person can be appointed as an internal auditor. He must be a CA. He must be a cost accountant. He must be a CA with COP. He must be an employee of the company. Not like that. Anyone can be appointed as an internal auditor. Option for this is C. No, not C. Option D. All of the above. Next. Internal auditor must be employee of the company. No. Not at all. Any person. Previously we discussed na. Internal auditor must be employee of the company. It is false. Option B. Number 3. Company is required to appoint internal auditor under section 138. Every listed company must appoint internal auditor. No, this is true. Every unlisted public company paid up capital 50 crores or more during the previous year. Yes, this is also correct. Every private company turnover 200 crores or more. This is also correct. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. And copy of financial statement to be filed with ROC under section 137 means only financial statements plus consolidated financial statement plus documents. Only financial statements plus consolidated financial statements. Option C, financial statements plus documents. All of the above. What is the answer? Option A contain all of the documents you need to file with ROC, but option A and option D both are same, but we will go with the option D. When copy of financial statement to be filed with ROC? When? What time? Within what time? Within 30 days of date of annual general meeting, including OPC. Within 30 days of date of annual general meeting, but except in case of OPC. Within 60 days of date of annual general meeting, including OPC. Within 60 days of annual general meeting, except in case of OPC. The correct answer is within 30 days of date of annual general meeting, but except in case of OPC. In case of OPC, within 180 days from the closing of the financial year. Next, here is the question. One person company not required to conduct AGM shall file copy of statements duly adopted by member along with the documents within 180 days from the closure of the financial year. Option C. What is the form need to be submitted by company along with the financial statements? What is the form? AOC 4 plus AOC 4 CFS, consolidated financial statements. What is the form need to be submitted by NBFC required to follow Indian AS along with financial statements? AOC 1 NBFC? No, not like that. AOC 4 NBFC Indian AS plus AOC 4 CFS NBFC Indian AS. Option D is correct. Company covered under provisions of section 135 of the Companies Act, CSR shall file a form CSR 1, CSR 2, CSR 3, CSR 4, CSR 2. Company is required to file documents and forms in XBRL. What is the criteria? Few companies required to report in XBRL. What is the criteria? Listed Indian or paid up listed Indian company, it must be a listed Indian company, or paid up capital 50 crores or more, turnover 100 crores or more. Is this correct? It looks like correct. Okay, we will verify another option. Listed Indian plus subsidiary or paid up capital 10 crores or more, turnover 100 crores or more. This is not correct. Paid up capital must be 50 crores. Either any one option. Not all options are not required to satisfy. Any one option. Listed Indian plus Indian subsidiary or paid up capital 50 crores or more or turnover 100 crores or more. Any one. Option C is right. Option C is right. Once the company started reporting in XBRL format, shall continue to report in XBRL format in the succeeding years also, even if the criteria mentioned above is not met. Yes, they need to report on XBRL. Once the XBRL criteria is met, subsequent years they need to report in XBRL format. Copy of financial statements to be filed with ROC means, yeah, we already discussed this one. Unadopted financial statements financial statements in the AGM and adjourned AGM shall be filed with the ROC within 30 days or 15 days, 45 days, 60 days from the AGM. Within 30 days from the AGM. Financial statements adopted in the adjourned AGM shall be filed with ROC within 30 days from the adjourned AGM, not from the AGM. Next, pick correct statements. Option 1. Company along with financial statements shall be filed. Company along with its financial statements to be filed. What is this here? Okay, I will read out. Company along with its financial statements to be filed with ROC, including its subsidiary, which have place of business in India. Unaudited financial statements are here. Okay, this will be very difficult. Some lines are missing. Penalty for contravention of provisions under section 137. For a company, minimum 10,000, maximum 2 lakhs. For a director, minimum 10,000, maximum 50,000. Both A and B are correct. Who can be appointed as internal auditor? We come again. Just 16 multiple choice questions. Give a readout. You don't want to see the full video. You can participate in the quiz by scanning this code. You can directly go through all those multiple choice questions. You can scan and participate in the examination and check the results yourself. Okay, all the best.